The robots are coming, but don't panic. Get ready for a big change. By the year 2035, many jobs will be done by robots and AI. This might sound a bit scary, but it's also super exciting. We're entering a whole new age of technology. It will change how we work and live. But remember, new technology always brings new opportunities. Don't be afraid of the future. Embrace it. This is a chance to learn new skills and explore new possibilities. The key is to be adaptable and open to change. Let's dive into this exciting future together. One of the most amazing things about AI is its ability to create. We call this generative AI. Imagine typing a few words and having AI write a whole story for you. Or picture AI designing a beautiful painting just from your description. This is already happening. Generative AI is changing how we create art, music, and even code. It's a powerful tool that can help us unlock our creativity in ways we never thought possible. And the best part? It's getting more advanced every day. AI is not just about robots and creativity, it's also changing industries like healthcare, finance, and education. Imagine AI helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. Or picture AI giving you personalized financial advice. In education, AI can help teachers create engaging lessons and give students personalized feedback. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming our world for the better. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in the future. The AI revolution is here, and it's time to embrace the change. Some jobs will disappear, but new ones will emerge. This is our chance to find new passions and build a better future for ourselves and generations to come. Don't wait for the future to happen to you. Start learning about AI today. Explore online courses, read books, and stay curious. The more you know about AI, the better prepared you'll be to thrive in this exciting new world. Remember, the future belongs to those who are ready for it.